Welcome to JK Career Lab, your data science and AI career coach. Struggling to land your dream data job? You're in the right place. Hey everyone, and welcome to JK Career Lab. If you are a student, a fresher, or a working professional who wants to break into data science, AI, or just get a promotion using soft skills, you have just found your new home. Let me be honest with you. Getting hired isn't just about knowing Python or ChatGPT. It's about proving you can solve real business problems, and that is exactly what we teach here. My name is JK, and I've started this lab to give you the exact roadmap, from zero coding to corporate ready. No fluff, just actionable skills. So, what are we actually going to learn? We are splitting this into two massive pillars, technical skills and soft skills. First, the technical lab. If you want to get hired as a data analyst or AI engineer, you need the toolkit. We will cover Python, SQL, and statistics, the non-negotiable basics, Power BI and Tableau, because hiring managers love beautiful dashboards, machine learning. We'll build real-world projects you can put on your resume, not just copy-paste code. But in 2026, you cannot work without AI. So we are going deep into AI tools for productivity. How to use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot to automate your boring tasks. How to build automation workflows so you work 10 times faster than your peers. If it helps you get a raise or a job offer, we will cover it. Now here is where JK Career Lab is different from every other coding channel. You can write perfect Python code, but if you cannot explain it in a group discussion, or if you send a bad email to a manager, you will lose the job offer. So pillar number 2 is career and soft skills. Business communication and email etiquette, how to talk to your boss. Presentation and public speaking, how to present that dashboard you just built. Teamwork and leadership, how to survive corporate politics. And finally, the placement preparation you actually need. Resume writing and LinkedIn optimization, make recruiters find you. Mock interviews and group discussions, the exact questions they ask. Placement tips for data analyst, AI engineer, and business analyst roles. Now, you might be looking at my channel right now. You'll see the banner image at the top. That's our lab door. My profile picture is our logo. And down in the description box, I've written exactly who we are. I want you to use this channel like a lab. Don't just watch the videos, do the assignments. Hover over the subscribe button, then the search across channel feature. You can use the search bar right here on my channel page to find specific topics. Looking for SQL interview questions? Just type it in. Looking for ChatGPT for resume writing? Search it. And if you want to build your own channel one day, I'll even show you how to use the YouTube Studio dashboard to upload and grow. Look, the job market is tough. But if you master data science, leverage AI tools, and polish your soft skills, you become unstoppable. Here is your first homework. 1. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss the first tutorial. 2. Comment below. I am ready for the lab. Welcome to JK Career Lab. Let's build your career. I'll see you in the next video.